Good morning, you're with me, Tanima Biswas, and on this show we get you the latest news and headlines from across the country as well as internationally. But first, let's take a look at our top story of the hour. Now, in Maharashtra, the police has initiated a covert operation in order to crack down on child pornography and pedophilia. Operation Blackface saw over 3,100 tip-offs which the police received over the past few months. In fact, 151 FIRs have been lodged. 48 arrests have been made across the state for sharing obscene content of minors in social media. The highest number of cases were registered in Pimpri Chinchwad and Nagpur, while the maximum arrests were made from Ahmednagar in the state. Now, police officials say most of the accused were known to the victims. Worryingly, this has in fact shown a spike of over 2,400% of cases in child pornography during the lockdown period. These are some of the grim figures that we are reporting for you on this story. I'm joined by my colleague Mayuresh on this. Mayuresh, so there have been a lot of problems which we have seen as a side effect of the lockdown. But in this case, what we can see is, as per the Maharashtra Police's records, there has been a massive spike in the cases of child pornography. And now this special operation which has been launched by the police has in fact seen a lot of FIRs and arrests this year.
Absolutely, Tanima, it's a very shocking because if we see the data between January to September, almost 151 FIRs have been lodged under this operation called Blackface by Maharashtra Police. 48 people have been so far arrested, and these 151 FIRs which Maharashtra Police have filed against different people, in which 48 arrests have been made, they have been filed across 39 cyber police stations. So it is not only related to one particular city of Maharashtra or one particular district, but as you mentioned, that most of the arrests or most of the FIRs have been filed in Pimpri Chinchwad, and most of the arrests have happened from the Ahmednagar district. So we can say it's a spread across, and that's why Maharashtra Police had launched this operation called Operation Blackface. And as I said, that under this operation, under this COVID operation, they have arrested so far 48 people and 151 FIRs have been filed, and which is really serious because when we talk about the Maharashtra, everyone talks about how Maharashtra is progressive state, how people are educated over here. But in this state, if 151 FIRs have been lodged by Mumbai Police by Maharashtra Police just for the child pornography, see, it shows that how serious issue is this.